kiddos, welcome back to chapter 11 Early Humans. And children, this is the fourth and last video of our chapter. So, the things we are going to learn in this chapter will be farming and domestication, and then we will see little bit of textual exercise. So, children, let's start with the first topic, farming and domestication. Children, early humans moved from one place to another in search of food. We have seen that they were collecting the foods and then they were eating it roasted after the discovery of fire. So they have to move from one place to another in search of food. So, what are the things they were getting when they were searching the food? They used to gather fruits and vegetables from the plants, and they roasted it and then they cooked it. So, this is how they used to gather the food. Later, they noticed that plants grew from the seeds that they have thrown on the ground. Children, what happened that by incidentally that when they finished eating the foods or vegetables they might have thrown somewhere, and then they saw that from the seeds that they have thrown on the ground grew into the plants, and then they saw that this way they can grow plants and vegetables also. So it is believed that they may have sowed some seeds into the moist soil. Okay, after some time, new plants begin to grow from those seeds. So, children, first they might have been sowed the soil or sowed the seeds into the moist soil, and then it is believed that in this way new plants begin to grow, and this is how they learn to grow the new plants and vegetables and fruit trees. So, this is how they used to gather the food. Thus, early humans begin to grow their own food. In this way, they started growing their own foods. Now, they do not have to move from one place to another in search of food. Farming was an important achievement for early humans. Children, do you know that how they got slowly and gradually discovered themselves? First, they discovered fire, then they discovered wheels, now growing of the crops. Now, after that, gradually farming become very important achievement for early humans. There was now no need to move from one place to another in search of food. Now they began to live in one place and led a settled life. This is how they have to settle at they learn to settle at one place. Now first they were moving everywhere, right? Now they are growing the crops at one place and farming it, and so they do not have to move from one place to another. Now they are living settled life. They also begin to grow food grains such as wheat and maize. Wow, that is very wonderful, right? First, they were not knowing only about it, now they are growing crops like wheat and maize. Early humans also began to eat animals such as cow, goat, and sheep because they were useful to them. Right, children? When the things are useful to us, we start keeping them with us, right? So, in this way, bullocks, cows, goats, sheep, they were useful for them in many ways. So, they started keeping those animals with themselves only. They started giving them food, and in this way they become their pet animals. So they begin to domesticate animals and they begin to grow their own foods like wheat and maize. So, this was all about your chapter, children. Here we complete the explanation of our chapter, and in online interactive classes, we will discuss our tactual exercise also. So, I hope, children, you learn the chapter from the videos and you will go through it from students' book also. So, until the next video, take care of yourself, everyone. Bye bye.